Good evening, everyone. First of all, congratulations, Manila Bulletin. Happy 126th founding anniversary po sa inyo. Second, thank you very much for choosing me to be one of your newsmakers of the year. Of course, I also have to thank my fellow Pasigueños because if not for them, I wouldn't be able to do what I do. It is because of their support, their continuous support, that I'm able to fight and continue the fight for good governance, for transparency, participation, and accountability in our government towards more efficient governance and towards a better tomorrow for our fellow Pasigueños. Muli po, maraming salamat. More than the award, more than the recognition, I hope that this will continue to bring the spotlight into the fight, the continuous fight for good governance. Muli po, maraming salamat at God bless po sa ating lahat.